Later in the show, I'll head down to the trading floor and speak with some of this year's Cyber 60 honorees. One company on this year's list is 7AI, which announced a strategic partnership with NYSE-listed DXC this past summer. Our Kristen Scholler spoke with 7AI Chief Executive Lior Div about why it made the move and what it means for customers. Take a listen.
This is actually a great partnership between us and DXC Technology. DXC Technology started becoming basically a 7AI customer, and after they tested the solution and saw the benefit of leveraging Gen AI technologies in their live production environment, they decided to take this technology in order to take it globally to their customer base. And for us, this is a very exciting moment. We're very excited about this partnership with them. And we believe that the customer will benefit in a tremendous way to remove or reduce the time to response and the time to detect, because right now hackers have a little bit of the upper end when it's come to speed. But by leveraging Gen AI technology, we give the power of Gen AI to the hand of those defenders and enable the defenders, basically everybody, that their job is to protect big enterprises, to fight against those hackers. Think about it as fighting fire with fire.
What's your view, Lior, on how AI affects the balance of power between those attackers and defenders, and of course the role that 7AI plays?
Yeah, so in the past 2 years, hackers starting to adopt Gen AI in a massive way. We call it the move from the low and slow type of attack, when hackers they do care if they get discovered, to the fast and furious. This is the type of attack that they don't care if they get discovered, because they're leveraging Gen AI in order to morph themselves and basically attacking you again and again and again. We see it in a different ransomware attacks. We see China adopting Gen AI in a massive way. And as we said earlier, it's like the only way to deal with those hackers, and right now with the speed of change, is actually leverage AI in order to fight against them, fire against fire. So actually giving the benefit of Gen AI to the hand of those defenders again.
Are organizations ready to hand over and rely on these AI agents to handle this crucial work?
Yeah, we were a bit surprised in the kind of massive adoption and the cadence of organization adopting. Usually when you're introducing a new technology, it takes time for the market to understand it and start adopting it. But right now we already have customers in the Fortune 500 here in the US. And when we're saying customer, it's very important to emphasize that they're not just using it in the lab. They're using it in production across the company on a daily basis. And for us to see kind of this massive adoption and the speed of use of the technology, just telling us again that Gen AI and everything that's happening around AI is actually faster, and we have to readjust our expectation and everything that we know from the past to something that it's much more aggressive. And to be honest, it's enable big organization to protect themselves better.